Good day, everyone. It is my privilege to present to you a research study titled Science Research Education among STE Junior High School of SDO Cavite Province. Preparation, Challenges, Practice, and Possibilities. I am Mr. Aris B. Manalo. With me is my co-author, the APS of Science, Ma'am Risa D. Soberano. For the introduction and rationale, Science Act of 1958 promotes science and fosters research as an effective instrument to intensify science and technology, research and development for national progress. This provision of our law established the needs of science and technology, engineering, and mathematics-oriented school and the necessity of research in improving the said curriculum. In 2019, Sanchez and Rosa Rosso established the idea that the conduct of science investigatory project is instrumental for students to contribute in the development of science and technology in the country. Also, Andrada and Marasigan stated that the current science curriculum guide is knowledge and context-based, focused on developing critical thinking skills, creativity, innovation, problem solving, scientific processes and skills, and others. The USTSA and UPNISMED 2011 cited and further emphasized by Cuartero in 2016 that science teachers indulge on teaching SIP content in the curriculum. This promotes students' original work, unlocks the nature of science, and exposes students on hands-on, minds-on tasks. While Maming, Ganja, and Latosa in 2022 cited that live experiences of the science research teacher may be summarized into four major themes. That is, professional anxieties, major adjustment in instruction, scouting for resources, and looking for professional development. Verification on the needs of science research teachers was deemed necessary. In this way, we can address the appropriate intervention they need. Thus, the researcher of the study aimed to determine the practice problems encountered by science teacher in teaching research. For the research question, the following were answered. Problem number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the problem number 4 and 5. For scope and limitation, the following were observed. For our research methodology, we make use of concurrent mixed method. The sampling is purposive with total enumeration, and a survey questionnaire was used to gather information. Informed consent and other necessary permit was secured. Quantitative data analysis using weighted mean was done. Thematic approach was also applied for qualitative data. For the data results, the common practices, problems, and possibilities on the conduct of science investigatory project among STA schools in Cavite Province are presented in the next few pages of this presentation. Data table number 1 showed the preparation done by research teacher in STE implementing schools. Data table number 2 presents challenges and problems encountered by research teachers. Data table number 3 showed the possibilities adjustment made by research teachers in STE implementing schools. The last two tables showed the possibilities and adjustment made by research teachers in STE implementing schools. To sum up, the common practices observed were the following. Effort exerted in providing materials and avenue to improve their craft. Teachers exhibit dependence on online source to alleviate problem on LR materials. Students and stakeholders were burdened in searching for recognized research institution. While these are the challenges faced by research teachers. Based on the results of the study, the following recommendations are suggested by the researcher and the respondent. Allocation of budget for conduct of research, budget allocation during the conduct of research, provision of validated teachers and learners material. Also, provision for laboratory materials and solely for conduct of research must be given. Partnership among recognized research-based institutions must be established, and conduct of training and seminars on common laboratory skills and data analysis must be conducted. These are the references we use for this study. Thank you for listening. To God be the glory.